Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to do clip-ins from beginning to end. I got my hair from Amazing Beauty Hair, and it comes with 2 clip-ins, a wide tooth comb, and that's about it. I got the lengths 14th and 16th for kind of a layered look, as you'll see in the end of the video. I'm using neutralizing shampoo to wash the hair, and this has such amazing benefits, and I love using the shampoo to kind of neutralize, like, I don't know, I don't really want it oily, but I don't want it dry, and I feel like that shampoo really does help lock in moisture, but also doesn't dry it out all the way. This is a key step in like doing or installing clip-ins. Please wash your bundles, because please look at the color of that water after I washed brand new hair. Of course, I know it's probably dyed and processed and all of that, but I would not just put that in my hair just straight out of the box. I've seen some I've watched some tutorials before actually attempting it, and I've seen that. I would wash it. Yeah, you get a little bit of shedding, but that's normal, of course. I'm going ahead and washing my 14 length right now. This probably took me about, I want to say like 20 minutes, 25 minutes to wash, because I did end up washing it about 2 times before I actually let it sit and dry. And I really like the way this shampoo lathers, but it does not feel dry. I ended up getting clean water and washing out all the product off, and this is literally like the color of the water after I just finished shampooing it. Like, it's still kind of orange, but I really understand, like, it's not necessarily like dirty, it's just like it has like a lot of product on it, which is fine. I just ended up washing it all out, and yeah, it was very therapeutic because the hair was super easy to comb and all of that, and that's how the hair looks after washing it. I really like the curl pattern, and I cannot wait to install it. That's a very important part. And yeah, see you guys in the installation video. And one last thing, the hair cost me about $150 for both of the bundles, so I think that's a steal. So, hey guys, it's the next day, and I braided my hair down. I believe I did like, how many? Like 7 cornrows, all going all the way back. And I left a middle part out, as you can see. Please, this is a really important step. Leave those sides out. Do not just do a middle part without leaving the sides out. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you why in a second once I like finish doing the hair. But that's a very important step. The clip-ins come in, it comes in like rows of 4s, 3, 2s, and 1. So I think within each box you get about 2 of each row, if I'm making sense. So I didn't end up using all of the hair. I bought 2 packs, and just because I feel like 1 wasn't gonna be enough and 2 could have been enough, but I'm glad that I didn't use all of it because I'm at a happy medium with my hair. I didn't want to install all of the 16 and then the whatever can fit as the 14. I wanted a balance because I wanted layers. I don't know if y'all know what like the wolf cut look is. I don't know if you guys could probably search it up on TikTok. I'll try to insert some videos or some pictures of like the wolf cut look. That's sort of like what I was going for. This is my very first time installing hair. I've never done clip-ins before. If you know me, you know I literally always either wear my natural hair or braids, and I do my own hair. I'm the queen of DIY. I never really like get services done to myself. I just feel like if I can learn how to do it myself and save money, that's just the route that I'll go down, unless like I just got money to blow, but obviously I don't, so I'll try to do it myself first. And yeah, so just to catch you guys up to speed, I already inserted my 16-inch. Now I'm doing my 14, like halfway throughout like my hair. I'm starting to add the 14-inch clip-ins so it can look layered. I feel like it's super important to braid your hair back. A lot of girls on YouTube have been kind of like just using their natural hair as like clips, I guess, like to clip the hair onto it. And I don't know, I just feel like I wanted something that like a protective style that I could wear for a very long time, because Lord, I might keep these in for like a month. So I wanted them to really last me a very long time, and I'm going on vacation. So I didn't want to have to worry about my hair. This is the part that I really struggled with, because like, I don't know why I thought it would just be so easy. I thought I was just gonna have to wet my hair and it was already just gonna follow suit. But you're gonna see reality check very, very soon, that's not the case. Like I was growing a little frustrated throughout my hair. I wasn't frustrated, but I was kind of like, ooh, my arms was getting a little tired from just like working so much and trying to like get it to blend. See right there, I'm like, oh wait, I can't just like put water in it. Wait, I have to actually like do some more. Like that was the moment I realized that. But of course, like I'm determined, guys. I'm gonna get us right, okay? I'm gonna get us right. This is the tutorial that you came to watch, and you're gonna see a successful like turnout, okay? So I'm just playing with my hair, seeing like if I wanted bangs, if I wanted a middle part, and I decided on a middle part, but I wanted to do the wolf cut look. So I first put mousse in my hair. I used this, you can use any type of mousse, but I used this like mousse that's for like braiding hair. That's all I had at the time, and it worked out for me. And then I ended up taking out my sides. I use like my sides as leave out because it really helps blend my hair completely. Like that hair, once I finish everything, you will see how blended my hair looks and how much of a difference it made taking my hair out versus just like leaving it, you know, or braiding it back. It made a huge difference. Now I'm combing out the hair, and I used mousse and leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I used was it was Mielle's leave-in conditioner. That's what I used for my hair and my leave out. And I really like took my time. I realized that, okay, I'm gonna need to get the hair wet again, even though I waited overnight to let it dry. I needed my hair wet again to see how my like hair could really blend. So I'm using water, like a mixture of water, mousse, and leave-in conditioner to really get that full like bouncy effect. My leave out, I will handle that. I know you guys can see my little tips. They're still blonde, and I could cut them, but honestly, I just don't really care to cut my hair. You'll see like how much the curls match. I'm taking my Eco Styler, and I'm really just like taking really small sections and applying gel to them. And I'm taking my time and being very like meticulous with each basically strand, to be honest, because they're really, really small sections. But so it can follow the pattern of the hair that I'm using. Yeah, I'm taking my time to put gel in there and making sure that every single like leave out is getting like massaged with gel, because if I left any like part out without gel, it would just look a mess. Like that's the part that would like just curl up and probably stick up. Using gel really helped my hair because you can already see it coming together, but we're not done yet, right? We're still using mousse. I still haven't even done the sides of my leave out. I'm gonna get there very soon. Honestly, I work so like sporadic, and it's never like really structured, you know. LOL. It's never really structured, so you'll just see like my work pattern as I go. But yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the tutorial. I don't even know what I'm saying right there, but yeah, I'm getting the sides right there. See what I mean? Like, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp. Like, are you serious right now? That, like, this is, at that point, I was getting really, really excited. You can't really tell, but like, I was like, oh snap, like, this is looking mad good. Like, I was like, hold on, like, this look like it's growing out of my scalp. Are you serious? Like, are you're joking, right? And normally I would take a blow dryer and just stretch it out, but I wanted to just like let it air dry to see how it's gonna look. And I'm just playing with my hair to see if I still wanted bangs or what I wanted to do. And lastly, I'm cutting my hair, y'all. I don't care that I got 16-inch. Like, I don't care about length. I needed to look blended, and I needed to look seamless, and I also needed to look layered. So y'all see me cutting that hair off. I do not care that I bought 16-inch and then it turned into a 14. Like, it's really just about the cohesiveness. Like, it's never really about length at this point. But yeah, I'm just cutting some hair off, and that is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. Oh my gosh, this is my very first like hair tutorial and my very first time ever doing clip-ins, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.